the importance of purchasing. Purchasing function provides materials to the factory without which wheels of machine cannot move. Yesterday I already told the purchase department is the live wire for any manufacturing, even service industry. If you go a hotel, the customers are expecting so many things. The hotel manager job is he has to procure everything. Even service industry, production industry, purchase department is the hot spot nowadays. A 1% saving in material cost equivalent to a 10% increase in turnover. Efficient buying can achieve this. If you are saving a 1% in material, it is equivalent to 10% increase in turnover. See, while you are a purchase manager or a inventory manager or a store manager, you have to consider quality product, quantity expected, at the right time of delivery with the minimum price, cost effective. When I was a purchase manager for some time, I used to purchase. I negotiate with so many things. This is very important. Nowadays, people are not. If I see that so many laddu has been distributed, that I don't know whether the college has any negotiation done or not. Last minute purchasing, whatever the amount you paid, ஐயோ அதெல்லாம் நேரம் கேட்கறதுக்கு செக் கொடுத்துட்டு போப்பா ஏன்பா எல்லாம்
Good
கலாட்டா
afternoon, sir.
பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. எஸ். ஆ ஓகே.
நான் டீ கொடுத்தா சரியாயிடும் சார்.
ஓகே
இல்லைன்னா 10 ரூபாய் தரணும்.
ரைட். ரைட்
60 ரூபாய் இருக்கா சார்?
இருக்கு ஓகே.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Right. They are not negotiating anything. They are just giving whatever the amount, and they say that if I am purchasing some product, என்ன சார் நீங்க இதெல்லாம் விலையே பார்க்காம வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க. ஏ இந்த உலகமே ஒரு மனுஷனுக்கு என்ன விலைன்னே தெரியாம இருக்கிறான். People who are doing a wonderful research, nobody is respecting them. People who are doing some illegal activity, they are encouraged and they are promoted. பாருங்க எவ்வளவு திறமையா அவன் பண்றாங்கறான். So that is the current situation. A purchase manager should be efficient purchase. If every staff yesterday distributed with the laddu, I asked the principal, if I get a chance, what is the cost of this laddu? Have you done any negotiation? Why you are not tried with other products? Like that, you have to make them as a management person. Nowadays, if we want any product, that purchase manager asking the supplier, what is the product you are having, and he will say that, suppose most of you visited the what is the Sri Mitai, I think. If I am buying any product to Sri Mitai, instead of my interested product, I will ask them, உங்ககிட்ட என்ன ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்கு, ஒரு 300 குவாண்டிட்டி வேணும். And he will say that, சார் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்கு சார், அது இருக்கு சார், இந்த வேலை சார், இந்த வேலை சார். சரி நீங்களே பார்த்து ஏதோ ஒன்று கொண்டுட்டு வாங்க. It is not my priority. Not only this laddu or Deepavali, everywhere now purchase department, because of the payment issue, the money has to be distributed immediately. Third, purchasing manager is the custodian of his firm. He is pursued as he spend more than 50% of his company earning. Already we have read that any company budget, 50% of the budget goes to the purchase department. Okay, who is Shiva? அடே எவனோ 2 பேர் வேற டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஏதோ வந்து கிளாஸ்ல அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணானா, அதெல்லாம் தேர் புட்டிங் இன் தி ஸ்டாஃப் குரூப். இந்த மாதிரி பசங்க வந்து கலாட்டா பண்றாங்க. Usually in those days, if the Deepavali is nearer, the people are bring the crackers inside the college and school and they will burst. When I was a 12th standard student, we are going to after before Deepavali 1 or 2 days, we are in a mood of celebration. by 12:30 somebody has kept a cracker inside the classroom. When we are out, the crackers are bursting. I was really enjoying. But the principal of the school and the teachers, hey, what is this? You are not allowing them to celebrate Deepavali, so they are bursting the cracker inside the classroom. Last year, 2 years before, there was a heavy rain. When we are in the main block, I was seeing the next school. Some schools are there. Kola Perumal school. Before Deepavali, same time. You may not be remember. That students are bursting crackers inside the school. They kept and they ran away in the interval. This is the way the college has to run. Instead of that, somebody is coming inside the classroom and putting some videos, and others are saying that என்ன சார் இதெல்லாம் எப்படி சார் நடக்கலாம், இதெல்லாம் தப்பு தானே சார் அப்படின்னா, what is this? He is interested in this kind of activity, so that he is doing. Allow them. That is the student mentality. Instead of that, these students are these BAs of students are behaving like a corporate people. They are waiting for some billions and millions, but they are not getting it. This is not. You should not behave like a very. And they are taking the food and coming to the college and having. Somebody is saying that the canteen is not that. They are very in a hurry mood. It should be avoided. It has to be enjoyed. When I was a college student, I used to released magazines, souvenirs, so many programs. Even 1 day or 1 hour, I never feel that I am in a pressurized mood. Literally, I will enjoy. That too, I will attend all the classes. Then I will go for this activity. Somebody will say that, sir, enna sir kada udringa idu eppadi sir nadagum. It is done. People will wait for me. After 4 o'clock, we will start the work and we will do the work till 9 o'clock in the evening. See, all these activities, these colleges and school for entertainment, not for keeping the face as a mum and that is not the right way. People are not negotiating. You should negotiate for any product. Tomorrow, some of you going for purchase. Nowadays, everything has been printed and offer also provided. But wherever there is a possible for negotiation, means the best possible price has to be taken. I have seen that in Van Hussein, if you purchase 8, you will get 18 or something 15. A team of people has to go and they have to purchase 8 and they will get 15. Each 2 shirts will be cost for 1 shirt. Van Hussein showroom opposite to Loyola College. That is the way you have to negotiate. People are not doing anything negotiation. Purchase manager எல்லாம் இப்ப போய் பார்த்தாங்க, சார் உங்ககிட்ட என்ன இருக்குதோ அதை வந்து கொடுங்க சார், நாங்கள் காசு கொடுக்குறோம் சார். What is this? Then what is the interest of the company? Right. 50% of the money goes to the purchase. If yesterday the laddu has been distributed by principal, somebody will like Mysore pak, somebody will like some other product. It has to be an assorted one. That is negotiation. Sir, laddu, sir, sir, sir. Then they will feel that I got what I expected. You should enjoy. I never see any person last 5-6 years. People are roaming with what Even Narendra Modi, Amit Shah is a enjoyable person. Per day he will take around 2 to 3 kgs of food. But he will never hesitate. He will take some 20-30 items, Gujarati items. But people are saying that what he is taking this much, so he is not taking food. The Punjabis used to take some 20 chapatis every meal. Morning 20, afternoon 20, night 20. What is that? The food is, he is negotiating. He is negotiating. People has to negotiate others. I need 20 chapatis. With dal or chicken, or they will, the Punjabis used to cook like for a 3 people house, they will cook like some 20 people. If one Punjabi food, one day Punjabi food is enough for 10 days or 5 days for Uttar Pradesh people. That is the way the Punjabis are negotiated. We need this much. And then people in purchase department, they have to negotiate. The Uttar Pradesh people will never negotiate. They are sleeping sometimes in toilet or they are not having any food. You have to negotiate like Punjabis or Gujaratis or the, I don't know about Maharashtra, they are taking vada pav or something else. These Tamil Nadu people, they will never negotiate. I never seen in Chennai last 8 years. Nobody is feeling comfortable and they are, because they are not negotiating. யாரோ ஒருத்தன் ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட விற்கிறான், அதை வாங்கி இவன் சாப்பிட்றான், அவ்வளவுதான். இவனுக்கு நெகோசியேட்டர் ஸ்கில்லே கிடையாது. then there is no purchase department. இதுதான் சார் இருக்குது, அதை சாப்பிடுறது, அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன் சார். I will not negotiate. If I am not expecting my product is not there, I will reject them. Why these Punjabis or Gujaratis or some other peoples are enjoying their life, even though in a very critical situation? Wherever pressure is there, these people, especially if you see any Punjabis, they will have, every day they will go to market, they will spend 2 hours. Somebody is claiming that if one person, if you are going out, you will be arrested for COVID-19. They open food products. That is the way they have to negotiate. ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணல சார், நான் என்ன சார் பண்ணுவேன், அப்போ மூஞ்சி வச்சு. I am seeing that all Chennai people, not only in Chennai and Tamil Nadu, last 8 years, they are waited for Amma negotiation. Before that, somewhat they have never enjoyed anything. Literally, they are roaming. என்ன கிடைக்குதோ அதை சாப்பிட்டுக்கிறேன் சார். Right. Increase in proportion of one's requirements are now brought instead of being made as was the practice in the earlier days. Buying therefore assumes significance. That is what I have explained is given here. நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தேவையோ அதை நினைச்சதை பண்ணணும். நினைச்சதை பண்ணணும்னா அடுத்தவனை போட்டு, that is what I am saying. If I want to do my expectation, I cannot curse or disturb others. I can reject. But I cannot do disturb others. I am expecting for this Deepavali something, anything. I have already made a purchase and everything. If I am expecting something, I should get it by negotiation. Instead of, I should not disturb others. Purchasing can contribute to import substitution and save foreign exchange. So much of money can be saved with the purchase department efficiency. Purchase is the main factor in timely execution and industrial projects. It should be right time execution. Industrial projects. Material management organizations that exist now have evolved out our purchasing departments. The material management, that is a very important aspect. When you are going for internship, still project letters are given. I think nobody has visited. I don't know about what the project. One day Felix will say that, sir, ella project collect பண்ணுங்க sir. He will say in his language. Then I can understand nobody visited the internship. When you are going for your internship, you can see how the purchase department is struggling. ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது சென்னையில. If it is a very big company, very good company, everything will be available. If it is a small company, if the owner unable to pay a check, some other reason, the company will be closed certain times, in particularly in the southern India, I think. நெகோசியேஷனுக்கே இடம் கிடையாது சார். பணம் கொடுக்கல சார், க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுங்க. That is a very, very poor idea. No room for negotiation. And that is already told that one company is making a turnover of 6 crore per month. 3 crore has been invested in the purchase department, and another 3 crore will be given as a salary to the employee and profit and the maintenance. Imagine that out of 6 crore, 3 crore has been given as a check. If the company want to grow, they want to purchase more, sometimes some check bounce will happen. But in India, particularly, if you made a check bounce, your company closed. The bank will not tolerate. எங்க சார் அவன்லாம் மூடிட்டான் சார், ஒரே ஒரு செக் பவுன்ஸுக்காக. That is the way the purchase departments are. That is why people are not எவனோ சினிமா நடிகர்கள் முன்னாடி they was enjoyed. Now everybody, yesterday Rajinikanth is sleeping in bed, hospital bed. And tomorrow only person who is enjoyed in Chennai is Kamal Haasan. One day he will go into the ground. Anyway, he will go into the ground. Nobody is enjoying so much of money, but not expecting as their wish. Rajinikanth is having some 1,000 to 2,000 crore, not only in Tamil Nadu, in other states, not giving to their fans a single rupee. And even if he is also, he will expect something. What is this? These kind of attitudes are very, very poor. People has to negotiate in purchase department. Importance. Other factors like post-war shortages. Fortunately, we doesn't have a war. Anyway, these people in the other civil wars are there. Cyclical swing of surplus and shortage of fast rising material cost. If a product cost heavily increased, some of the companies are unable to pay. சார் என்ன சார் 15 நாளைக்கு முன்னாடி இப்போ 1500 நீங்க இப்போ 1700 சார், அப்படிதான் சார் ஏறுது விலை, வேணும்னா வாங்குங்க சார் அப்படிம்பா. சில பேர் சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே சொல்லுவாங்க, சார் நீங்க எல்லாம் எந்த காலத்துல இருக்கிறீங்க, அதெல்லாம் விலை ஏறிக்கிட்டே இருக்குது சார், யூ ஷுட் க்ரோ சார்பா. That is why government of India also, they are also a purchaser. I heard that they are one of the biggest purchasers in the world. They are unable to compete with the private organizations. Tatas and Birlas and Ambanis are making a sensible purchase, but not the governments. Growing worldwide market have contributed to the importance of purchasing. Now it is a globalized world. You can heavy competition I left out. Heavy competition is there. Heavy competition sometimes advantage for purchase manager. என்ன சார் நீங்க இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் 1000 ரூபாய்ங்கறீங்க, அவர் 800 ரூபாய்க்கு தரேன்னு சொல்றாரு சார். Growing world market have contributed important. I have seen that some of the political purchase that is not in the syllabus. Very unfortunately, it is not there in syllabus. If the political person is order certain products, he will expect as his or her wish. How it is happening? It is a power of purchase. They will say that, yeah, நான் சொல்ற ரேட்டுக்கு இவ்வளவு கிலோ இத்தனை மணிக்கு இருக்கணும் அப்படிம்பா. Even we are paying money, but we are not recognized like that because people are not involved in the negotiation. They are expecting orders. Industry, they will say that சார் அதெல்லாம் பெரிய பெரிய கம்பெனி கூட இப்ப எல்லாம் நெகோசியேஷனே கிடையாது சார். இந்த அமௌண்ட் செக்கு கொடுத்தியா ப்ராடக்ட் வரும், அவ்வளவுதான். தட் இஸ் a very bad idea. Buying materials of the right quality at the right quantity at the right time at the right price and from the right source, that is very important. Where we are purchasing is very very important. This is a broad generalization indicating the scope of purchasing function, which involves policy decisions and analysis of various alternatives possibilities prior to their act of purchase. The specific objective. Then general objectives are there, specific objective. To pay எத்தனை மணி வரைக்கும் 3:40 3:40 time is there. Specific objectives of purchasing to pay reasonably low price for the best value obtainable. Negotiating and executing all company commitments. Nowadays in the family also people are not negotiating. நான் சொன்னா இதுதான் வேணும். That is a problem for the company. That is why I am keep on saying this. Reasonable low price. சார் எங்ககிட்ட சொன்னா ஒரே வேலை தான் சார். சரி ஒரே வேலை தான். நான் நீ நீ நான் ஒரு 500 கிலோ வாங்குறேன், என்ன பிரைஸ் சார்? ஒரே ரேட்டு தான் சார், நீங்க எங்க வேணா போய் வாங்கிங்க. அப்போ what is happening is, if he is getting the more money to the company, they will also they purchase some of the product where they are also unable to negotiate. அதனால அங்கேயே வந்து போட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க, வேல்யூபிள் ஆப்ஷனபிள் நெகோசியேட்டிங் அண்ட் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிங் ஆல் கம்பெனி கமிட்மெண்ட்ஸ். Immediately we have to reject it and we have to say that this is our company policy. நீங்க இந்த ரேட் ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் சொல்றீங்கன்னா இந்த ரேட்டை ஜஸ்டிஃபை பண்ணுங்க. அப்படிங்க சார் நாங்க அப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு சப்ளை பண்ணவே வேணாம் சார், நான் வேற ஆள் பார்த்து. டிமாண்ட் இஸ் தேர். so much of demand nowadays products. சும்மா வள வள வளன்னு பேசாதீங்க சார். அப்படி பேசினாவே ஏதோ வயசான. எனிவே ஐ எம் நாட் நெகோசியேட்டிங். I will go to the exact price where I will get the quality product at a right price. But everybody cannot do like that. Right. To keep inventories as low as is consistent with maintaining production. Inventory should be very kept low level. நிறைய பேர் வாங்கி அடுக்கி வச்சிருவாங்க. ஏன் இவ்வளவு வச்சு சார்? அதெல்லாம் வந்தது சார், வாங்கி போட்டோம் சார் அப்படின்பா. வாங்கி போட்டேன்னா எங்க இருந்து காசு வந்தது? அதெல்லாம் கொடுத்தாச்சு சார், போ சார் அப்படின்பா. இட் இஸ் நாட் அ ரைட் ஆட்டிடியூட். Keep the low level of inventories. Inventory stock வாங்கி வைக்கிறது. To develop satisfactory sources of supply and maintain good relation with them. Supplier and the purchase manager relationship is very very essential. To secure good vendor performance, including prompt deliveries and acceptable qualities. The vendor has to deliver the product as instructed in the agreement. Prompt delivery. 4 மணி டெலிவரி பண்ணா 3:55 இருக்கும். I am seeing some of the drama serials that they are making some products and they are saying that sir இப்போ வந்துரும் சார், அப்புறம் வந்துரும் சார். என்ன நீ வாழ்க்கையே கஷ்டத்துல தான் இருக்குதுன்னா நீ எதுல பிசினஸ் பண்ற? எவ்ரிபடி இஸ் சேயிங் தட் நான் உழைச்சி 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 ஓடா தேஞ்சே போயிடுறேன். டூயிங் திஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் எவ்வளோ கிரிக்கெட்டு இதெல்லாம் இருந்துக்கிட்டு பைத்தியக்காரனுங்க அலையிறாங்க. யூ ஷுட் என்ஜாய் த டெலிவரி. If you say that 4 o'clock the products will be there, by 3:30 every product should be delivered. சார் அதை ஏதோ டிவி சீரியல்ல காட்டிட்டு இருக்கானுங்க. It is not you or me to remove the hurdles. It is a hurdles problem. எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் இதே சொல்லிக்கிறான் சார், நான் கஷ்டப்பட்டு முன்னுக்கு வந்தேன் சார், நீ முன்னுக்கே வர வேணாம், கஷ்டமும் பட வேணாம். You are not understand the management concept. That is why you are keep on saying that நான் எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்டேன். Prompt delivery, acceptable quality. Then to locate new material or products are required. Whenever a purchase department should be updated with the new materials. If you go to a material purchase department, immediately the manager should aware about what is the new products related to their available. சில பேர் வந்து சொல்லுவான், நான் when I was in purchase department, I will இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்டே பார்க்க முடியல சார், இதுல எது நியூ ப்ராடக்ட். Somebody is saying that nowadays, somebody is saying an Apple iPod. சார் ஆப்பிள் ஐபாட் பத்தி நான் சொல்லட்டுமா சார்? ஏன் சார், நானே மொபைல் வாங்கவே காசு இல்லாம இருக்கிறேன், ஆப்பிள் ஐபாட் பத்தி ஏன் சார் பேசுறீங்க? நியூ ப்ராடக்ட், நாட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் ஆன் நியூ ப்ராடக்ட், நியூ மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். அப்படி இல்லாம, எஸ் ஐ வாண்ட் டு டிஸ்கஸ் அபவுட் ஆப்பிள் ஐபாட், பட் ஐ வில் ட்ரை டு பர்ச்சேஸ் இட். Develop good procedures together with adequate control and purchasing policy. There should be a purchasing policy should be there. Adequate control should be there. ஸ்டோருங்கிறது அப்படியே சில இடத்துல எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கண்ணுல ஒத்திக்கலாமான்னு பக்காவா வச்சிருப்பாங்க. So that is the important aspects of these purchase management. I want to discuss some of the other the 35, but still points are there specifically, so we will complete. To implement such programs as value analysis, cost analysis, and make or buy to reduce cost of purchase, to secure high caliber personnel and allow each to develop in his maximum ability. Negotiation skill வளர்த்துக்கணும். Ability to purchase any product. சில பேர் பர்ச்சேஸ் மேனேஜரா இருப்பாங்க, சார் ஏப்பா இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் நீ போய் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துடுவேனா? இல்ல சார், அதெல்லாம் எங்க சீனியர் தான் சார் சொல்லுவாங்க. யூ ஷுட் இன்க்ரீஸ் யுவர் எபிலிட்டி டு maintain as economical a department as is possible. Consumerate with good performance. To keep top management informed of material development which could affect company profit or performance. பர்ச்சேஸ் மேனேஜர் போய் ஒரு டாப் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் டீம் கிட்ட தைரியமா பேசணும். இப்பெல்லாம் அங்க வந்தாவே அந்த நாய் ஏன் இங்க வராம்பா, அவன் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் ஏதோ பணமே கட்டலையாமே, என்கிட்ட சொல்லவே இல்லையாமே அப்படின்னு இப்படி எல்லாம் நடக்கும். I'm talking about what is happening here. To achieve a high degree of cooperation and coordination with other department in the organization, they should have a purchase cooperation இருக்கும், லிபரல் கோஆபரேஷன். சார் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் இத்தனை மணிக்கு வந்துரு சார், இந்த இது இருக்கு சார், நீங்க போய் when you are going for your internship, try to visit a purchase department, how they are struggling with the other departments. யாருமே ஒத்துழைக்க மாட்டாங்க. இப்பவே எனக்கு வேணுங்கம்மா. People will run for product.